Hi, this is a song called "The Look Inside My Window." I hope you like it. If I could look inside my window, what would I see? There's a stranger that's clearly mental. He looks a whole lot like me, and I would watch as he cried on and off all through the day. Lots of times when he's alone, and almost every time that he prayed. If I could look inside my window, what would I see? There's a person that's been instrumental in every bad thing that's ever happened to me, and I would watch as he cried and struggled to be free, and I would understand because he is me. Guess it's time to lose. All those old selfish blues. Time to hang myself on the tree. Start over again, down on my knees. There's only one God. Whether you live on earth or out among the stars, here's one great truth. That's that he has love for me and you. He sees everywhere. Turn over any stone and he's there. And whether you're human or not, there's only one God. Remember that he said in John, I have sheep from another fold. They will follow my voice and come. We shall become one shepherd, one fold. You know, it's even made it to the news. They had some of these sightings. They had to tell you this part of the truth. And they've been here for a time. Just waiting on us to find. That there's only one God. Whether you live on earth or among the stars, there's only one God. Whether you live on earth or among the stars, there's only one God. I hope you like that. See you again.